Hi everyone, it's announcement time. West Meon is just around the corner. We've got 3 sales this year. First is in April, the 15th of April. We have another one the 1st of July, and the third and final West Meon this year is the 23rd of September. We are going to have loads from farm clearances to bygones, to machinery, to light ground maintenance, tools and warehouse equipment, all featuring in this April sale. We'll have plants, we'll have light ground maintenance, we'll have farm machinery, diggers, dumpers, vehicles, a whole range of implements, mowers, garden equipment, workshop tools, bygones, garden furniture, statuary, lots of other bits and pieces. There are a few ways to get in touch and consign your items, whatever it might be. You can get me on email or telephone. The details will be in the comments. You can go onto our website, wellersauctions.com, navigate through to the farm page and grab a online entry form where you can fill it out. You can add pictures if you want to, or you can download and print a PDF if you're more old school. You can post that to us. You can also come to our place in Guildford. I'm here most of the time, but if not, somebody will talk to you and walk you through the whole process. We've got plenty of time. The deadline isn't until the 31st of March. If you want to get onto our mailing list, let us know. Comment in the post, whatever you'd like to do, but we can definitely get you in. Make sure you get your entry form in. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed and found the video informative. If you want to find out more, visit our website. If you have enjoyed it, make sure you like and subscribe, because you'll continue getting more videos and more information about what we're doing here. Thanks very much, and hope to see you down the farm.